Alright, another complete Delta Unisaw, this one from 1960. Complete rebuild, repaint, lubrication, new belts, new arbor bearings, brand new 2 horsepower Leeson made in USA motor. Did a little two-tone gray here, light gray with the starter and the hand wheels with the dark gray everywhere else. And then this one I put a beast mire on, so you've got the full capacity for sheet goods all the way to 53 inches. There are a few holes here on the tabletop from a previous power feed. We'll fire it up. New belts, new bearings in the arbor. Smooth running machine. Smooth sounding.